convenience of it alone is amazing. I am the president of the Greater Third Ward Super Neighborhood number 67. They moved our local HEB that was on the bus line. While we appreciated a brand new HEB, it also took us off of the bus line. So you could see mothers and children getting on the bus, trying to get over to that HEB walking. I'm so excited about Metro joining in. You're looking at food, you're looking at health, saving time on getting to your job if you happen to work out of the third ward, which a lot of us do. Being able to get to the connectors at the transit center, it's a game changer for us.